Welcome to Smart Home. Let's get started. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker is a modern-day cooking equipment. Sous vide, pronounced sous vide, is a cooking technique that utilizes precise temperature control to deliver consistent, restaurant-quality results. High-end restaurants have been using sous vide cooking for years to cook food to the exact level of doneness desired, every time. The technique recently became popular for home cooks with the availability of affordable and easy-to-use sous vide precision cooking equipment like the Anova Sous Vide Cooker. Sous vide, which means under vacuum in French, refers to the process of vacuum sealing food in a bag, then cooking it to a very precise temperature in a water bath. This technique produces results that are impossible to achieve through any other cooking methods. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker is the easiest way to make your breakfast. Now you can make 2 hot, toasty breakfast sandwiches at the same time. The Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker lets you create 1 or 2 homemade breakfast, lunch or dinner sandwiches in minutes using your own fresh ingredients. Each sandwich be customized to individual tastes, so everyone can have their favorite. Simply build the base of your sandwiches in the bottom layer, place the egg in your sandwich's top layers on the upper cooking plates and close the lid. In just 5 minutes, your breakfast sandwiches are ready to eat. You'll know exactly when breakfast is ready thanks to the countdown timer. It beeps when sandwiches are ready. Need inspiration or recipes to get started? Explore more than 25 sandwich recipes on our website, from the traditional egg, ham and cheese to more unique options like a cheddar, bacon and egg croissant sandwich. All removable parts or dishwasher-safe surfaces are covered with durable, non-stick coating. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner is the modern way of making salads. Dry salad greens with a simple press of the soft, non-slip knob. The non-slip base keeps the bowl steady on the countertop and the built-in brake button stops the salad spinner for unloading. The basket doubles as a colander, and the lid comes apart for easy cleaning. Selected as one of People Magazine's 2017 50 Food Faves, the bowl and the entire spinner is safe for dishwashing. It's very easy to use with one hand. With one touch, brake button stops spinning. Spinning basket act as a colander for rinsing greens. Non-skid base keeps the bowl stable during when it's running, and it helps dries leafy greens for quicker salad prep. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker delivers perfectly cooked eggs in less time than it takes to boil water on the stove. Eggs cook in minutes and the auto shut-off feature prevents overcooking, so you never have to worry about monitoring the process. Non-stick dishwasher-safe accessories include an omelet bowl, 2-egg poaching tray, and boiling tray for a variety of egg preferences. Lightweight and compact, the Rapid Egg Cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorm life, camper, RV traveling, and households on the go. The original, most trusted egg cooker, for perfect eggs every time. Hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, and scrambled eggs all cook in minutes. Auto shut-off feature prevents overcooking. Makes up to 6 boiled eggs, 2 poached eggs, or 1 individual omelet. Lightweight, 1 pound, and easy to store. Accessories store easily in the appliance. Non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. Zulay Original Milk Foam Maker. Zulay Original Milk Frother Handheld Foam Maker gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy milk froth for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop. The benefits of having your own handheld electric frother are endless. Save time and money by making drinks at home. Take your electric milk frother with you wherever you go, and countless milk frother uses. Treat yourself with a made-at-home latte or cappuccino any morning right in your own kitchen. Save the drive to the coffee shop and get your perfect foamy coffee in the comfort of your own home. Surprise guests or your spouse with your newly found barista skills. The Zulay Milk Boss was designed with all of your needs in mind. It operates quietly on batteries and stores easily anywhere in your kitchen. Its long-lasting motor is also built with budget in mind. You can have the wonderful convenience of this luxury frother without the luxury cost. With our wide color selection, our milk frothers look great in any kitchen.